Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the Tidal Coral Lamp in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event, there is a battle pass, the event battle pass like this. And then in here you can unlock many rewards, and one of them is this Tidal Coral Lamp. But if you want to unlock these rewards, you need to reach level 45 first. And to reach this level, you need to collect the Vision Wave points that you can collect from the weekly challenge quest in this catalog, or you can also collect it from the collections point on here like this, or you can also get it from daily quests. And then after you reach 45, level 45, you will unlock this recipe of Tidal Coral Lamp, and the recipe will be added to your workbench. So just go to your workbench like this, and then next just choose this Tidal Coral Lamp. It's so beautiful like this. And then in here you just need ore, and then branch, and then pearl oyster material pack, and then just adjust the amount, and then just tap on craft and tap hold to continue. And okay, like this, you will successfully making this Tidal Coral Lamp like this. It's so beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.